Hi, I'm Mike with Mr. Reliable Heating and Air. A squeaking sound coming from your AC unit can be alarming. Any odd sound that happens suddenly or intermittently can be a cause for concern. Aging systems can sometimes begin to make unusual noises, but you'll probably want to get a professional to look it over just in case. You may need to get your technician to look for loose parts and debris inside of the unit making the noise. The squeaky unit also may need cleaning. Some issues have a simple solution, but get a pro inspection of your unit soon from Mr. Reliable Heating and Air.